So we're given these 2 points, -2, 2/9 and 1, 6, and we want to write an exponential equation in this form, y equals a times b to the x power. Well, when you have two variables or two unknowns like a and b, you're going to need two equations to solve for those two unknowns. So let's go ahead and write our two equations. So I'm going to say this is our x and y, so we can see that when y is 2/9, x is -2, that's one equation, and we can see here when y is 6, x is 1. So we have two equations. This is our system that we want to solve. What I would do is I would solve for one of these variables. Like for example, if I solve for a, we could divide both sides by b. So you can see that a is equal to 6 divided by b. And since we know what a is, let's put that in terms of a in this other equation. So we have 2/9 is equal to 6 divided by b times b to the -2, right? So now when we simplify here, what do? Well, we've got 2/9 equals 6 times b to the -3. Remember, when you divide, you subtract the exponents. -2 minus 1 is -3. And let's go ahead and divide both sides by 6, or we could multiply both sides by 1/6. So that comes out to 2/54 is equal to b to the -3, which you could reduce this to 1/27 is equal to 1 over b to the 3rd. Remember, the negative exponent, you can take the reciprocal. So that means that if we take the reciprocal of both sides of this equation, b cubed is equal to 27, and if we take the cube root, we're getting b is equal to 3. Now, if we take 3, put it back in for b here, that's 6 divided by 3, which means that a is equal to 2. Okay, so now we have our a and b. So let's go ahead and write our equation. We've got y equals a, which is 2, times b, which is 3, to the x power. Now, if you want to check your work, you can plug in -2 and see that you get back 2/9. If you put in 1, you can see that you get back 6, and you got it. So if you want to see another example I did talking about how to write these exponential equations, follow me over to that video I did right there, and we'll get some more practice. I'll see you there.